Morning, guys. Well, good morning, guys. I started too soon. This is where I slept last night. Pretty. Oh, and the stars. You wouldn't believe the stars. Look, it felt like you could just reach up and grab them. Oh, it was wonderful. Um, anyway, I'm on my way back to Winslow. I'm only about 6 miles from there. Um, This is a little place 6 miles south of Winslow. And so I'm going back there to get my passport stamped and to take a couple pictures that I didn't get yesterday. So I will be back, guys. Okay, I stayed in the dispersed camping area, but all these camp sites are $7 a night. I'm not sure if they have, and I know some of them have electric on them, but anyway, I'm cheap. I chose the free one. All right, I'll be back. Okay, this is the McHood Park, and right outside of Winslow. So, and then there's another place over there for picnic areas and on the water, and it's really nice. So if you're ever out this way, you know where you can stay. It's a little, looks like a train stop that they painted and fixed up. Okay, I had to come around the corner because I saw something that I thought was funny. Up here on top of the building. It's a cowboy in the bathtub. Okay. There you go. Oh, I forgot to tell you, they have a really nice little dog park here too. So, you know, after hours of traveling, maybe your dog wants to just get out and run. So, yeah, you can do it. So just thought I'd let you know. I saw this place and it has a lot of old stuff in it. Look, you can't see. Covered wagons over there. With the little stuff on top of the roof there. I think it's neat that they make things out of, you know, old metal stuff. Pioneer Museum. It's only open on Saturdays. It's not Saturday. Onward. Horses. Horses.